Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you a couple of motorcycle gloves that I bought from Temu, and I will compare them against my own motorcycle gloves. Before I show you the two pair of new gloves, I want to show you what I have, what I'm using today. And these two pair, this pair of gloves, I don't remember the name of, but I bought them about 5 years ago. They are really well made, all leather, all genuine leather. It's got knuckle protection, it's got ventilation for the fingers. This is set for good for 3 seasons. You can ride this easily in the fall, in the summer, and in the spring. And I have used this in the winter, but you need some further protection around, like using a motorcycle handlebar muffs or something like that, and you can still use these gloves. But these are great. They have a lot of good protection on the knuckles, as I said. Also good padding for the palm, and also there's this protection for this little bone in the bottom. At the bottom of your palm, there's this little bone, and so when you do fall, if you do fall, the first thing that's going to happen is you're going to be extending your hand out to break the fall. And so this set of gloves is really great because it offers a good padding, amount of padding on the palm area, and also some protection here for the bone. Unfortunately, this set is getting old. I've had to repair this little finger too many times now, and I thought maybe I should buy a new pair of gloves. And I think I'm going to have to buy another set of leather gloves, but I thought I'm going to go on to Temu and see if there's anything that I can buy. GoPro. So the first pair of Temu gloves that I want to show you is this beige looking set of gloves, and they kind of look like garden gloves, if you know what I'm talking about. It's actually very nice looking. When you put them on, it's got a very nice fit. It's all polyester. It does have protection for the knuckles here and ventilation for the fingers, and it's also touch screen friendly, so you can work on your phone while riding, right? The only downside about this, I thought, was that the material is polyester and it looks kind of thin to me. It looks very nice. The gloves look very nice in your hands, but the material is polyester, and even in the palm here, if it was any thicker, it'd be fine, but it feels kind of thin to me. So if in the fall, I think that I'm gonna really scrape my palm if it goes down like this first, with my palm down first. And there's no protection. Yeah, there isn't really any protection for that bone down here, and so I think that this is not, I would probably use it only for low speed riding in the city. Where I live, a lot of the roads are limited to 30 kilometers per hour in the core of the city, so this would be perfect for that in the summer. And it feels not heavy set of gloves. It's kind of light to me, it feels like it's gonna work well for maybe up to 30-40 kilometers per hour. Okay. And the second set of gloves that I want to show you is, again, this was bought from Temu, is this black set of gloves. It's got some red highlights here, very nice, and it fits perfectly in your hand as well. This is all polyester. It's got knuckle protection, and it's got ventilation for the fingers as well as being touch screen sensitive. So that works very well. The palm here has this rubbery material, so it will have a very good grip on the handlebar. And as opposed to the first set of Temu gloves that I bought, this one has protection for the palm. Not the full palm, but at least where that little bone in the bottom part of your hand is, right? So it's got protection there. So if you do fall, and likely you're going to be falling like this with your palm down first, this will absorb a lot of the impact. So this I think will work out well. But the material is polyester, so I mean, I don't expect this to last too long, but it's good for summer riding, and as long as you don't go too fast, I think it'll be fine. I don't know if I want to use the Temu gloves for highway riding, but definitely within the city, where speed limit is restricted down to about 30-40 kilometers per hour, this is perfectly fine. And also, I think that maybe in the rain I'm not going to get stained, because my leather gloves, if when it gets wet, your hand gets stained, right? You get a black fingers, and I'm not sure if it's my palm as well. And actually, mostly my palm. My palm will be like all black, but this being all polyester, I think will be fine. So here's a question for myself: am I going to use these gloves, or should I return them? At this time, I'm not sure. I think that I want to just keep them for just a bit and then decide if I want to return them or not. I'm a bit concerned about safety, but if I use this in the city, I think it'll be fine. They're cheap. I mean, the black set of gloves here is it's under $11 Canadian, and this beige looking set of gloves is only around $7, so like super cheap. I mean, even if I don't use them for my motorcycle, I could use it for a bicycle riding, so I think it's probably worth the price for what I can use it for, more than just maybe motorcycling alone. So yeah, I'm probably going to want to keep them around for just a little bit longer to decide if I want to return them or not. But you know what, and even if I don't use them for motorcycling, I could use it in the garden, right? Thanks for watching.